Hello everyone, I am Akhilesh Bhagwat from Graphologymadesimple, and in this video we are learning about letter K. Letter K can help you know if writer can maintain long-term relationship or not. Or is writer someone who express their romantic feelings in a better way or not? There are some writers who don't show emotions when they express their romantic feelings. They are also not that much witty, etc. While there are some writers who are very witty. You can get to know about that through letter K. You can also get to know if writer express their romantic feelings in a quick manner or take some time to express it. Okay, so let's get started with letter K. I believe this will be the interesting letter for you all. So any gap present in letter K is not a good thing. It shows that writer is someone who is unable to maintain long-term relationship as they get irritated with their partner very quickly, right? And have problem with commitments. They may express romantic feelings yet it is not too connected with the other person. Other person is unable to connect with it. Now these are the here the angle is present, right? So angle writer quickly express romantic feelings while the rounded one takes some time to express it. Yet since the gap is present, even if they try to express, the other person is unable to understand it, right? And also they have problem in maintaining long-term relationship. Many people ask what's the difference between this and this. That's what I explained. Now here the crossover is, as you can observe, the crossover is there, right? This angle is going above the stem. This is stem and this is the angle, right? So it is going on the left hand side, so it shows that writer is someone who is trying to convince other person about their romantic feelings or whatever they are doing for them, right? They are desperate as well. Instead of getting things in a flow, they are more desperate to get yes from other person, or they are trying to convince other person, right? Which is not good. And I said about this. Now let's look at this one. So writer here want to express their romantic feelings yet are confused about how to express it, and because of that they have problem in expressing their feelings. Another person is also have problem in understanding what they are trying to say, what the writer is trying to say. So overall confusion is there in writer whenever they're trying to express their romantic feelings. We will learn about this. Let's go for this one. So here there are difference between this one and this one. Okay, don't get confused. These are the writers who hide their romantic feelings, so they don't actually express it. Instead they hide it inside, so they don't express their romantic feelings, which is not good. They keep it inside. So let's look at the good ones. So these are the writers, as you can observe, angle is present. These are the writers who quickly express their romantic feelings, and they are more dramatic when expressing it as well. So they will buy a flower or they will do something dramatic. They will sing a song, poet, etc., and then they will express their feelings to the other person. Now since no gap is present, that's why this writer can maintain long-term relationship as well, which is great. Now, these writers can also maintain long-term relationship, yet they take some time to express what they're feeling about the other person. They try to understand other person and then they express their romantic feelings, right? So they are a little bit smooth. They are not too quick. They take some time. So if your significant other is writing like this, then give them some time to express their romantic feelings. Remember, both of these writers are very witty in nature, so they express their romantic feelings and they are very witty as well. This small loop at the top, these are the writers who want to be authority. They believe that they are the boss, so they don't like to work under anyone, and they are rebel as well, so they challenge the authority and like to do things in their own manner. There are some writers who write like this as well. So big loop, these are the writers who are very rebellious, so they are violent as well and they oppose every authority that comes in their way. So which is not good, right? Because you need to listen to someone instead of just getting things in your way, right? They are also, these are also rebellious, yet rebellious, or you can say they oppose the authority, yet at some time they understand the authority and then accept them. Yet these are the writers who don't understand them, and sometimes it can lead to violence as well, which is not good, right? So in short, this writer like to do things in their own manner, and many entrepreneurs have this type of K, as they like to do things in their own manner. They believe they are the authority, they are the founder or CEO, etc., right? So they are the leader. Not just because you have doesn't mean that you are a good leader. Okay, so just keep that in mind. They are just rebellious and like to do things in their own way. Now these are the writers who don't romantically express their who don't these are writers who have some dry romantic feelings, so they do express the romantic feelings yet emotions are not that much there. Okay, as compared to this one, they express a romantic feelings and emotions are also there with that. So emotion connection is there. Well, here the emotional connection is not there, and this writer mostly do arranged marriages as well. If you see many arranged marriage couples, they have this type of case. Not all, many people have this one as well. Yet if you see these writers, then they are more dry when expressing their romantic feelings. Because of that, the emotions are not connected and they are more interested in arranged marriage or marrying as their parents say. Okay, now most often we'll find this two type of k or this type of k. Some people even write this type of k, right? This one is rarely found. Okay, and even this one is not that found. You will mostly find this one, the gap one or the loop one. Okay, sometimes in some cases you may find this, yet if you find that you know what to do, you have to suggest these ones. Okay, anyone you can suggest. You have to ask the writer what type of person they want to be, and then you can suggest them the letter k. Okay, so that's all for letter K. I believe you learned something new about letter K. K is an interesting letter as it is all about long-term relationship and how much witty a writer is and how writer express their romantic feelings. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Let's keep learning. Let's keep growing.